Here's the image of the file with the astronauts, and you're going to try to place your face within one of those. So what you need to do is to get your face downloaded from a picture, from phone, computer, wherever you happen to have it. Dim it down, rotate it so you can kind of line it up with the actual picture of the person that you're taking off, and then put a layer mask on top of that. And using the brush, just go through it and start to erase things that you won't lose the picture. It'll just cover it with the layer mask. Maybe adjust it, maybe take things around it, and keep applying it. So this one, just kind of going over a couple ways, a little bit of a frame in there, selection to make the shadow from the mask on the face, and then you can use the dodge and the burn tool to go in there and modify some of the shapes, change some of the color channels, color adjustment on the layers panel. Here I'm just going to find the right stuff. It's already pixelated, no need to do this in type, just put a little bevel and drop shadow on it. Give it some 3D look to it. There you go.